Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Listen, I have to tell you, I'm starting to get a little stir crazy. A lot of things are shutting down. Now in Mississippi, we have still not had a, completely closed down kind of self-quarantine kind of deal going on yet. But I started thinking about all of y'all that might be in that situation. So I decided, and if you aren't following me on Facebook, please make sure to check out the description right down below and follow me on Facebook, and as well as all my other social media things. But I decided, hey, we're stuck inside. We're trying to do this social distancing. So why not give guitar lessons? If you have ever wanted to learn a new skill, this might be the perfect time for you to do so. So, if you are interested, all you have to do is email me at daviddunavent@gmail.com, and I'll make sure to put that in the description down below as well. Today, I'm going to start off by showing you two simple chords. Two simple chords. That is all you need to get started playing a song. Right here, I have a trusty guitar, and I have to say, I am doing this as if people that are watching this, y'all that are watching this, are beginners. So, I do kind of customize my lessons based on how much knowledge of the guitar or bass that you have. But, like I said, this is your head, neck, and body. And your strings are E, A, D, G, B, E. And the first chord we are going to do is going to use all four fingers. We're going to take our middle finger and we're going to put it on the top E string in the third space there, which is called a fret. Then we're going to take our first finger, and we are going to put it on the second fret of the A string, and then we are going to take our ring finger and place that on the B string, which is the second one from the bottom, on the third fret, and then our pinky finger is going to go right underneath there, and we're going to squeeze and strum all of those strings. And that is a G chord. Just like that. So again, first finger, second fret of the A string, middle finger, third fret of the E string, ring finger, third fret of the B string, and then pinky finger, third fret of the E string. And our next chord is going to be the D chord. And it's just going to use these three fingers. We are going to put our first finger on the second fret of the G string. Then our middle finger is going to go on the second fret of the E string. And then our ring finger is going to go in between them on the B string on the third fret. And on this chord, you're just going to strum from the D string down. So you're not going to play the top two strings. You're just going to play the last four strings. That is a D string or a D chord. So again, one more time. First finger on the G string on the second fret, middle finger on the E string on the second fret, and then our ring finger on the B string on the third fret, and strum from our third string down. Quick little thing that you can do with this. might recognize that. If you recognize that, make sure to leave a comment down below. But guys, if you are interested at all in guitar lessons, hit me up on email, hit me up on Facebook, hit me up on Snapchat. Just let me know. We can set it up. I do it via Skype, just straight over the internet. So guys, anyway, this was just a quick little video showing you 2 chords. This is what I love doing, is playing guitar, and the other thing I really love doing is showing other people the joys of music. But guys, if you will, please like, comment, and also subscribe. And also hit the notification bell. And if you don't have that notification bell turned on, you might not always know whenever I put up a new video. But guys, anyway, love you. And on to the next stop.